Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your iPhone is updated and you've installed any keyboard or font app you plan to use. Now open Settings and go to General. If you added a font profile, tap Fonts. If you installed a third-party keyboard, tap Keyboard and then Keyboards. This step links the app to system settings so the keyboard can appear in apps. Once done, you'll enable permissions and configure layout. Don't skip granting full access if the keyboard needs it to. Next, you enable the keyboard and choose its font options. Go to Settings, General Keyboards and tap Add New Keyboard. Select the app you installed. After adding, tap the app's entry and enable full access if required. Remember, only trusted keyboards need this. Then open the keyboard app itself to pick a font style, adjust size, and select a theme. You're doing this because the app supplies custom glyphs and formatting that Apple's built-in keyboard doesn't provide. Finally, test and finalize the change. While typing in messages or notes, tap the globe icon to switch to your new keyboard and confirm the font style appears. If you don't see fonts, make sure the keyboard is selected in Settings and that any font profile is installed under Profiles in General. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app, restart your iPhone, or reset the keyboard dictionary in Settings, General Transfer, or Reset. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke full access and regrant it if the keyboard behaves oddly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.